There's my beautiful assistant, my wife Lisa, cutting the grass for me. Thank you, babe. I think I'm gonna get two 2-foot culverts, put them side by side and make a land bridge there. Fill all this in, because that's no good. Then I'll be able to drive my lawnmower across there to get to that side. I may get some smaller riprap, some 3-inch, to fill the bottom of this. I don't know, I'm just gonna let it be like it is for now and see how that goes with the next heavy rain. Because when we get real heavy rain, this creek fills up, and that was the cause of all that erosion over there. Looks good from far, but far from good. Well, got my workout in for today. It looks good. And I think it's gonna keep that area right there, that big dip there, from eroding more. I got those big, huge boulders. Those are 2 really big boulders that I got in the bottom to try to give it some anchor there to slow that water down. All right. Well, that's it for today, guys. Y'all tune in and see what I'm gonna do next. I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. Hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell to get all the notifications for my videos. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.